Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can mastering the skill moves option. And what you need to do first is tap on my team banner. As you can see, this is my team page. There are 4 options here. This is your starting 11. All the player you have, skill moves and skill boost. So what I want to show you is this one, the skill moves. Currently I'm only had 4 skill move, and in the actual match you can only add just add 4 skill moves because the control that's allow you it's only 4 slot to try the skill. So you can try the skill in this page by this is the example, the video example of the skill. Flick up, and only 18 players of my team that's allowed to skill this move. And also the rainbow, I only 7 players that enable can do this rainbow flick. And maybe you have more than me, maybe 10 player can do this. But the quality of the players is a must to have this skill. And also, if you want to try another skill moves, you come back to the home page, go to the market, go to the store, try this event shop, and this is the last one, skill moves. You can buy a skill move here by using the gem, drag back spin, for example. So you can purchase this. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.